Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I got a request from Nadia in Italy. Please do miso soup. I love miso soup. I want to have it every day. Thank you, Nadia, for making a request. I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite miso soup with clams. There are 3 reasons why you should make this soup. Number 1, the flavor from clams will make super rich broth. Number 2, I thought the clams are widely available and easy to find. And number 3, you will only need just 3 ingredients. They are dried kelp, clams, and miso paste. So simple. Let's get started. The first things I want to do is to soak the dried kelp in the water. Measure the water in a pot and soak the kelp for 30 minutes. Then let's prepare the clams. I want to remove any dirt and sands from the clams. Pour water over the clams and scrub the clams in the water. Then drain the water. Measure the water in a pot and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Dissolve the salt in the water. Heat the water until it reaches 50 degrees Celsius, which is 122 Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and place the clams in the hot water. Cover the pot with a lid. Let them submerge in the water for at least 10 minutes. Scrub them under the running water. Now they are ready to use. Place your miso paste in a small bowl. This is my homemade miso paste that I created in the beginning of this year. If you want to try for homemade miso paste, I pasted the link in the description. After 30 minutes, the dried kelp in the water looks like this. Let's heat the pot and bring it to boil. When the water is about to boil, remove the kelp from water. Then add the clams to the water and let the shells fully open. When all the shells are fully open, scoop some soup from the pot, add to the miso paste in a small bowl. Dissolve the miso paste in a soup. Add the miso paste mixture to the pot and stir. Serve your miso soup in a cup and garnish with sliced spring onion. The miso soup is complete now. The miso soup is so delicious because all the flavors from the clams are in the soup. You can enjoy the soup with any Japanese dishes. Not to mention, this is a perfect companion with sushi. If you want to learn any specific recipe, please send a request using the form in the description. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye!